This is the Nils cable that you wear on your wrist. You just have to unclip it, plug it to a power bank, and charge. A must-have item for people always on the go.
Can I borrow it?
Sure.
I never thought a charging cable could be disguised as a bracelet. How genius. I mean, like, you could literally wear it like an accessory and no one would guess it's a cable. But does Nils support fast charging?
Yes, and it can charge up to 3 amps.
It's not easy to get loose either.
Oh, of course not. It has a magnet on it to make sure that it stays firmly on your wrist.
Can I keep it?
No. If you want one for yourself, you can get it off Kickstarter.